Hi, what you do? Hi, what you do? Why are you so handsome all the time? So very handsome. Whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Let's go on the other side. Oh, we got some claws right there. Whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy. What a paws. Oh, so handsome. Going. Going. Get him, Ghost. Get him, Ghost. Are you do so handsome? You are so fancy today. Whoa. 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 Oh, gonna bite me a little bit? What bites? Oh, that's so nice. What's this back here? What's this back here? Oh, gotta go past? Where you go? What's this right here? What's this right here? Little extras? What about this under here? Whoa! Where's that chair going? You can go him. Oh, so handsome. Oh, I gotta get my toothpaste clean. I just got my toothpaste clean, but I'm still gonna keep them clean on this. I am. I am. Come, Ghost. Come, Ghost. Whoa. Whoa, fancy guy. Fancy guy. Whoa, whoa, that incense is in my mouth. Get him, Ghost. Get him, Ghost. Where's this one?
I think I pulled a whisker on that last one as I batted at me.
Get him, Ghost. Going. Pretty handsome guy, Tigger. So fancy. Why are you so fancy? So fancy. Oh, I like to feel these germs in my mouth. Oh, yes. Get him, Ghost. Get him, Ghost. Boo, you want to say hi? I don't want to say hi. What are you doing over there? You taking a bath too? Tiggy was thinking about it. Tiggy said, I didn't take a bath. Oh, hello. Tigger. Tiggers. I think that Jennifer Ross and Sydney is going to like this video. She likes her Tiggy do. Oh, that's nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Chime in. Hi baby. Good kitty man.